Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to launch your own Solana meme token, bring in buyers, and then pull the liquidity straight back into your wallet. And the crazy part is, this entire process can be done in roughly 5 to 10 minutes from beginning to end. Before we dive in, I'm also doing a giveaway. I'll be sending one Solana to 15 different people. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, leave your Solana wallet in the comments, and send this video to 5 friends. Super easy. All the info is in the pinned comment. Let's get started. First, I'm opening Photon. I want to quickly demonstrate something. I'm filtering by pump fund tokens and take a look. New tokens are being created every few seconds and it's insane. Like, if you launch here, within half a minute your token gets pushed down instantly, completely flooded. Now, I'm switching over to Radium V4, CLMM, CPMM tokens. These are Radium memecoin pools. This is exactly where pump fund tokens migrate once they complete their bonding curve by hitting that 85 SOL target. Notice the difference? Far fewer tokens being released, much slower flow, and that's exactly what we need. Less saturation, more exposure, and more attention on our token. This is the perfect environment. Before we launch anything, we need a solid meme idea. Something memorable, entertaining, maybe even a bit absurd. I usually check Dex Screener for ideas. I start with a trending section to see which tokens have strong volume and market cap. You can also browse top tokens, but doing this manually every time gets annoying. Scrolling through endless projects, thinking of names, designing logos, it just takes too much time. So instead, I go straight to memesvault.fun. This is where I generate my tokens. As you can see, it lets you deploy a token in 30 seconds, instantly create Radium liquidity pools with built-in volume bots and zero gas minting. The best part is, they include an AI tool that creates everything for you. Once I'm on the site, I click Create Token Now, then press Ask AI. It pulls a trending meme coin and fills everything in for you. This one looks solid. Good name and clean branding. I'll use this. Now, advanced settings. First, these 3 security toggles, Revoke Freeze, Revoke Mint, and Revoke Update Authority. Keep all 3 on. This is what makes your token get buyers. Now, I turn on liquidity. Make sure this option is enabled because it allows trading and sets up the initial pool to bring in buyers. I'm adding 2 SOL into the liquidity pool, so I input that amount here. The more you put in, the more confidence it builds, and it helps performance at launch. Now, I activate the market maker bot. This part really matters, and I set the bot budget to 1 SOL. Don't worry, you can withdraw this amount later, just like the liquidity. Also, make sure you match my settings exactly to get similar results. What this bot does is simulate activity by placing random buy and sell orders across multiple wallets, so the chart looks active and trending. When people see movement, they're much more likely to jump in. Now, I click Next, then Create Token, and it asks me for a transaction. I use Solflare. You can use Phantom or any other wallet. Transaction confirmed. Now from SolScan, I copy the transaction hash and paste it back into the platform. After a short wait, the token is live. Let's open the portfolio page, and there it is. We're already getting buyers. People are entering just from the chart and branding. This is where it gets interesting. Check the live liquidity. As you can see, liquidity is increasing. So, I let it run for around 10 to 15 minutes and watch the liquidity increase. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes, and the pool is now around 27 Solana. Not bad for something we just created. Time to pull out. I click Withdraw Liquidity, enter my wallet address, and confirm. Done. Liquidity has been removed from the pool. Let's check my wallet. And there it is, 27 Solana sitting right there. That's roughly a little bit over $2,000 in under 15 minutes. And that's the full process. We launched a token, let it run, and walked away with about $2,000. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the giveaway if you haven't yet.